Hello and Jahid students. This is our history subject and chapter number 3 for class 10th in continuing our lecture. Our next topic is consequent diseases and trade. So now in this time during 16th century the ocean is become now not only a ocean, it become a route for uh, trade and business transfer from one place to another, migration of one place to another, of so many types of things, just like trade, goods, people, knowledge, customs, uh, crisscross, it's water. So there were so many several things which flow from one place to another. So it is a type of network at that time. Sea become a type of network at that time for different nations to travel a long distance. After the discovery of America in 16th century, so many abundant resources and land and minerals were known by Europeans in America, which give them a big opportunity for trade and business, and by which they become so much rich and developed also. Here so many type of precious metal uh, they get from America, just like silver is a very precious metal which were founded in America, in South America. So El Dorado is known as city of gold. It's only because there were so many type of precious metal get by Europeans in the American region, mainly in South America. So Peru, Mexico also enhanced European wealth and financed its trade with Asia. So they get a huge opportunities in America. Here in this our last paragraph of this page, Portuguese and Spanish and Europeans, we can say, that were consequent not only America by their fire weapons or military powers only. They win America by spreading a virus, by spreading a disease in America. They spread in America a disease of smallpox virus, which become a deadly killer in America. So many people were died due to this epidemic, this, or we can say pandemic in America. So thousands, millions were people were died due to this pandemic in America due to this smallpox virus. So to get victory in America, Portuguese and Spanish and Europeans spread their virus. By this thing, Americans were lost a mass collective pupils from their nations as they become compelled to accept the colonial rules of Europeans.